Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I want to tell you about myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faiz Nafolusi. Faiz is my first name, Faiz is my surname. I'm 10 years old. I was born in Kota Bumi 21st December 2014. I'm a pupil. I go to school. I'm in the 4th grade. I found of art. I'd like to be a painter. Art is my favorite. I started painting when I was 5. First, my father taught me drawing. Then, I joined the art school. Now, I take painting lesson 4 times a week. Every time my parents and I travel, we visit different museums. We looking at wonderful paintings. When we go to the country, I always paint very beautiful landscapes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.